Alright guys, we're outside and we're about to get ready to do the installation. Take this one off and the one on the bottom. Oh yeah, and the hose. Next is going to be that one right there. Next is the one on the bottom. So here's the OEM one. Ahora, ¿qué posición tiene que ir esta? We're putting in the turbosmart blow valve. And next is the hose. You just plug it in. Is that? Mm-hmm. Alright, so that's it guys. Literally 5 minutes to install. So this is going to be the after, or how it sounds. There you guys go. Not that loud, but yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching the video, guys. It's a short video because I gotta go to work. But here is the OEM blow-off valve, which is a piece of crap, and the new rings, which I didn't really use. So we're gonna go for a little spin. Thank you guys so much for watching the video, guys. See you guys tomorrow. Look at that, turbosmart. I got a thumbnail real quick. Yeah, so now we're driving in the rally. I don't know if you can hear, but let me do it real quick. You can barely hear it, guys. I'm gonna make it a little softer. See, hopefully that will do something. Let me go around my neighborhood real quick. Make sure no one's coming. And I'm gonna put it in sport mode and see how it sounds in sport mode. Woo! You heard that? Alright, let me change sport mode. Woo! You heard that? Guys, I'm so excited. There it is, guys. Blow-off valve video. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. See you guys tomorrow. And that's all, guys. Have a good one. Before I die, one more. Let me do one more.